guys, and today I'm going to be doing another slime scanner video. So we have this slime right here. It's a little small, but whatever. Ooh, it has nice clips. Let me see what I have on my phone. I know this is a terrible phone, but here, I'll use yours. Ooh, this one girl wants a galaxy glitter slime, strawberry swirl slime, and cotton candy slime. Well, I'm all sold out of strawberry swirl and cotton candy, so I'll just say sorry. I am sold out of cotton candy and strawberry swirl, but I can give you the galaxy sparkle slime. So this is the galaxy purple slime. This is very good. So this one is not really sticky. And it has a good click. And it makes amazing bubbles. So, like bubble pops. And this one I have is super sticky. And it's thick. And I don't really like thick slimes. And just and it breaks whenever you try to make a bubble. Let's check out the bubble test. That sounds a little bit good. Alright, so it has good bubble popping. So let's check about the bubbles. It has a little bit of good bubbles. It's a little thick. I like a little bit thick ones, but let's check about the Instagram swirl. So let's try that again. Stop. So it makes this kind, but I don't really think that's good. I like this slime. So I'll just add it into the other one. No. So I'll just say I I just sold out. So it's a little why. I'm sorry, but I just ran out of stuff to make the Galaxy Sparkle slime. So I'm so sorry. Try again next time. Bye. There's no way I'm giving away any of my slimes. So stop calling me and texting me.